What if African worship once sounded completely different from what many churches hear today? Before colonial missions spread across Africa, communities already used rhythm, chant, dance, and sacred ceremonies to express spirituality. Across many African societies, drums were more than instruments. They carried messages, marked ceremonies, connected communities. Music was participatory, not something watched from a distance. Spiritual expression often involved movement, call and response singing, and communal rhythm. When Christianity expanded across Africa during the colonial era, European hymns and church structures became dominant in many regions. But over time, African Christians began reshaping worship through local languages, choirs, drums, harmonies, and indigenous musical traditions. Faith remained Christian, but the expression became deeply African. This wasn't simply resistance, it was adaptation. A way of making worship reflect local identity, culture, and memory. So should worship sound the same everywhere? Or should culture shape spiritual expression?